To create this beautiful flower basket, you require just two materials. Join me along. This is Reena. Welcome to Crafting Treasures. I've taken the inside ring of an embroidery hoop of 23 centimeters diameter and the 3 mm braided macrame cord. First, we need to take two cords 300 centimeters long and attach the middle of the cords on the ring. And then we will do a spiral knot halfway down the ring. Unlike a square knot, in a spiral knot we always start with the same side. Here you can see me starting with the left side, forming a 4 shape and pulling the right cord through the loop. We repeat the same knot over and over. The spiraling effect of this knot will be clearly visible if you use a metal ring for creating the basket. I will be using the same spiral knot using 4 strands while designing the front side of the basket, so I can show you how the cords turn. When I finish the handle, I've pulled the cords to the opposite side of the ring and tied first a simple knot and then a spiral knot. Now we're going to start designing the front face of the basket. For this I've taken 4 cords of 100 centimeter each and tied them in a lark head knot on the string. Next I've cut 12 cords of 150 centimeter each and again I've tied them using lark head knots. Next, using group of 4 cords, we're going to do square knots. Next, counting from the outward to the middle, between the square knots that we just formed, I'm using colored macrame cords to form the next layer of square knots. Next I'll be doing horizontal double half hitch knots from the leftmost side to the right using the leftmost cord as the lead cord and knotting all the other cords from the left to the right to form a wave pattern. Next, using group of 4 cords, we are going to do the spiral knots that we did at first for the handle. When you repeat this knot for a few times, you will feel the cords trying to twist in your hands. At that time, just turn it, continue repeating the spiral knots from the same side again. On either side of the colored macrame, using group of 4 cords, I've done continuous square knots. After finishing the design for the front side, I've tucked all the cords through the ring as you see. Then using each cord, I've formed a double half hitch knot on the ring. This will give a clear, neat edge to the basket. After completing all the double half hitch knots, I've turned the ring around and cut off all the colored macrame. Now we are ready to start with the back side. For this, first I've taken 4 cords of 100 cm each and 10 cords of 150 cm each and tied them using lark head knots. Using groups of 4 cords, I'll be doing an alternating pattern of square knots all across the back side. Once the pattern has completed, using the cords on the side, I'll be doing double half hitch knots on the ring that we can see there. When that is done, I'm going to join the cords from the front side and the back side one by one using simple double knots. Using a sellotape as guide, I've cut the remaining macrame into a V shape. And there you have it, a beautiful flat flower basket. If you enjoyed this video, do check out the one you see on the side. Bye!